One of the reasons that we are different from any other credit repair person or company, not only do we send dispute letters and we are challenging the items that are listed on your credit report that are affecting you in a negative manner. So we're attacking things from both ends. Not only are we disputing it with the credit bureau, but we're disputing it with the creditor, and we are helping you build positive credit. You're not going to have any success with any program unless you start building positive credit, unless you start understanding how to structure your credit report. If you think that this is something that can genuinely help you and that I can genuinely help you and your business and scale you, man, let's go, because I'm ready. This is what I do.